Coolbo Electronic Company Limited, founded in 2012. Passed ISO 9001 and BSCI. Located at Guangdong Province, China. Now we own over 4,000 square meters with modernly standardized equipments such as auto injection, audio test, RF machine, separately aging room, 150 well-trained workers, experienced management team, and a group of electroacoustic, electronic R&D. Nowadays our main product is true wireless earphones. From 2012 to 2020, in this 8 years, we experience an earphone speaker, in-ear earphone production, earbud injection, audio cable, sport earphone, Bluetooth neckband earphone production. In 2018, we adjust majority production lines to produce true wireless earphone according to market needs, especially in earbud structure design, plastic injection skill and production. EQ adjustment, we are outstanding. Our products are best-selling in both domestic and overseas markets, such as USA, Japan, European, South Korea, Thailand, Taiwan, as well as other countries and regions. Nowadays, we have more than 40 industrial core patents or technical patents. From 2018, we have more than 30 styles of self-developed TWS earphone, all our personal molds. All products with RED, FCC Rose Reach, MSDS, UN 38.3. We always keep the faith that the reliable quality is our fundamental, implementing strict and scientific quality control system to ensure the reliable superior products quality. All products are strictly manufactured based on SOP document. All the quality control staffs have been trained strictly before on duty. Our advantages: stable supply chains, science and strict QC system to guarantee the punctual delivery, reliable quality and competitive prices. Flexible OEM or ODM policies to support customers' success. Release 2 to 3 molds each month stably to satisfy the market requirements. We will continue to regulate the operation, increase R&D investment, improve the capital structure. Offering high quality and intelligent audio products to customers worldwide. Creating a new audio field to all partners and a new audio world to all consumers. Looking forward to working with you. Welcome to visit factory and contact with us. Select we as a long-term partner. Let us we win more TWS earphone market share together.